See, a lot of y'all just lost. A small handful of y'all. No. I'm sorry, I can't stay quiet. Somebody just said offer fish. Listen, what we're not going to do today or any other day is try to make the lyrics off her fish. The lyrics are off her fifth shot. It's a good meme. I'll give you that. I will. But it's not off her fish. It's not. I said I wasn't going to talk this whole stream because I thought it would be funny. But I can't stay quiet. I can't. Not when these disrespectful things happen. Can we actually talk about it? I'm down to talk about it. I just lost, by the way, because I laughed. But I know that it sounds like off her fish. I really do. I know. I hear it. But that's not the case. That's not the truth. That's not it. It's off her fifth. Can we stop? And stop sending me pictures of fish. It breaks my fucking heart. It's kind of funny. I'm be honest. It's funny. I mean, you know that. That's why you do it. I'm talking about on Twitter, by the way, if you're an Instagram person and you don't look at my Twitter. Last night, I took it upon myself to correct people about the lyrics on Best Friend. The lyrics under the video said that in my verse is, what is my, oh no, my verse is, on Best Friends, what do I say? That my best friend, if she need a freak, I ain't dumb but motherfucker, she my Tweedledee. If she ride for me, she don't need a key. If you sideways, she'll straighten you if need to be. And she's so bad that I just can't take that bitch nowhere. She off her fifth shot said, don't go there. Whatever. So on and so forth. But people, basically, under the video, the lyrics, they were telling me that the lyrics said, fish, she off her fish. I said, Okay, there's a few things about this that worry me. First, what the fuck does that mean to you? Because it doesn't make any sense to me in any sense of the word. I really went through all of the possibilities. I did. I went through every possibility in my head. What the fuck could that mean? She off her fish? She off her fish could mean, I still can't think of what it would mean. So why do you think that means anything? Well, what does it mean to you? I'm going to ask you a question, an honest question, please. Tell me what that means to you, she off her fish. Does it just bounce off the tongue? Does it just tickle the ivories? She's not on a fish diet anymore? Why the fuck would I say that? Why would Alex? Why would I say that? Alex. So we're both on the same page. Me and Alex just think that you guys are out of your minds and you're just making sense of things that don't. So let's discuss this. Let's discuss this because I don't... Are you comfy? Because I don't understand. I won't be bullied into believing that that's the lyrics to my song because I know I wrote it. And that's what the fuck I said. I said what I said. I said she off her fifth shot. She off her fish doesn't make any fucking sense unless she's goddamn Aquaman or Ariel from The Little Mermaid. So explain yourself. Please. Make it make sense. Let me take this pin down because it's irrelevant. It's neither is it she off her fish shot. It's not even that. And it's definitely not she off her fish hot. We have reached a whole new level of disrespect. It's just not she off her fish shot, she off her fish, she off her fish hot. It's none of those things. And we need to understand from the source, because that's what I am. I'm the writer of those words. This is plagiarism. No, that word doesn't make any sense with this. This is, you know what the fuck I mean. You're rewriting my shit, basically. Even when I tell you what the lyrics are, you think that it's fish. You think that it's fish after I tell you it's fifth. You want some? Thank you. Obey. It's not fish shot. We're not doing this. And it's not funny. I'm just smiling because I'm a happy person. It's not funny. It's really not. Get it together. It's not fish hot. And it's not fish shot. Now, I want to know who came up with fish hot, because that's innovative and that's new, but I never thought. It does probably sound like that, but that's not the lyrics, and that's just how it's gonna go. It's not fucking funny, you guys. It's not funny. Doesn't even tickle me. I'm correcting my fans on my lyrics, is what's happening right now. This is Alex. Now you're trying it. She's so bad I can't take that fish nowhere is definitely not the lyrics. It doesn't even sound like that. Not even a little bit. Ryan, I'm going to play Fortnite today if you're on your Xbox. Alex. See, what we're not going to do is, what did you say? The whole world wants to be fish is not the lyrics. I don't even say fish once. And I guarantee that. I guarantee, you can go on my notes, go on my phone notes. I guarantee you I did not for 1 second did I ever, I don't even think I've ever even said fish in my entire career. I've never even written the word fish down and considered rapping it. So for you guys to say she off her fish when it doesn't make any sense, and also that it's not, when it's not the lyrics, go to the video, check it out. Go watch Best Friends or Best Friend and go look at the lyrics. And understand, that makes far more sense than fish. Fish shot, fish hot, wanna be fish. Is anybody else's lips dry as fuck? Or am I alone? I know I'm not. But like to the extent that mine are dry. What's something I can compare my lips to? My lips feel like cardboard. A little more rough. I wear three different layers of lip balm. I'm an alchemist at this point. I don't know what to do. I'm about to start going into my kitchen, and I'm about to pull out the extra virgin olive oil and put it in a bowl. Probably add all of the lip balms. Oil does work. Oil helps, but it just gets rubbed off. Hi. What? Did you fart? Oh, great. Why are you farting recently? Are you just getting old? My guy. He farts now. That's new. No, I just wanted to get on because I wanted to show you guys my hat. I have nothing to say other than what's relevant, which is my lyrics are not what you think they are. She off her fifth shot, not she off her fish. And I'm going to solidify that. I'm going to make sure you guys know. If anyone says she off her fish, the album's not coming. It's not. Watch. Think I'm playing. I'll cancel the whole rollout. Say fish shot. Say fish hot. Bitch, say fish. Say fish again. Please. Sending them up. No album. I resign. You think there's loopholes to saying fish? You think that you can send an emoji and get away with it? No, it equates. Because you have to type fish to get the fish emoji. So say it again. Say it one more time. I'm giving you one more chance. Say it. Say fish, bitch. Say. Well, I guess I'm moving on to bigger, better things. Time to open up a makeup line. Time to start a fashion house. You see me preparing. No more music. No more. It's over. Alonzo, I'm giving you a pass because I love you. But don't do it again. You could have said anything. You could have said chicken. You could have said shrimp. You could have said zucchini. And I know that that's not the saying. But you've got it all wrong. Anyone who says fish is getting blocked. Every single one of you, even if it's thousands of people, say fish. Say fish. Honest with you guys, this is so, like, it's funny now because yes, it does sound like I'm saying fish, and I'm being just honest. At first it was a joke. It still is. But I'm saying, like, I've written verses and people have gotten them wrong, and I feel like every time that happens, it, like, hurts really bad because I'm like, fuck, no, they didn't get the fucking, that undoes the whole punchline. Like, that unravels everything that I tried to build. It, like, ruins it. So it's just like, you know what I mean? It hurts. But with this one, with this typo, or not typo, with this miscommunication, I'm kind of okay with it. Because it's funny. The other ones aren't funny. Fish hot. Or she off her fish is just, to me, it just rings and it's funny. And I know why you guys like it, but it doesn't make any fucking sense. What am I supposed to do? Alex. All right, fine. This is going to haunt me my whole life, isn't it? You know what? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to encourage everybody to say it. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Fish shot. Just say fish. Send all the fish emojis that you can until your little fingers get tired. Just keep going. Just fish it out. Just keep saying fish until it's not funny anymore. Because I do believe, I really do, in the near future, that it won't be funny anymore. So get them out. Get those fishes out of there. Get that fish out. I'm egging this on. I'm instigating it. And I want you guys to really just keep going, please. Get the fishes out. Get it out so that we can get past this. Really. I want it to become a toxic meme that no one ever wants to use again. Get those fishes out. I can take it. I can't. I'm just here. I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna watch you guys give me fish and say fish and assume things. And I'm just gonna take it. Take it like a man. I'm gonna take it like a fish. It's fine. It doesn't faze me. You're still going to get the album. It's fine. No, I would never do that to you. But, continue. Under the sea. Under the sea. What is my favorite type of what? Elaborate. Finish the sentence. Sound it out. Take your time. What's my favorite type of what? Say it, please. Sea life. Well. Don't. No. My favorite type of sea life is, I love crustaceans. I do. Lobsters. Oysters. Crabs. Mollusks. You don't like my fit? Can I dance? Maybe. Honestly, yes. But I haven't really danced in like months since like rehearsal. So yes, I can dance. A little bit. I wish I had a piano, and I do, but I have to hook it up to my broken laptop. I really have nothing to do right here in my house. And the reason why is because the one thing that I use the most is my laptop. So when I can't bring it around, basically my laptop's fried. Because I guess I leave it on the charger every night, and it's a Pro and it's not one of the older ones. So it is obviously anything new from Apple is, we all know the word, but fucking I can't like carry it around. I have to keep it on the charger or it's off. It just shuts off. I don't play Sims anymore. There's something very, like, overwhelming about modding in The Sims. Because when I play, I download, like, custom hair and shit. And features and, like, little things. And you're not really supposed to do it because the game crashes and it just destroys it. It's not, like, fully compatible because there's just like bugs and shit. It's just like random people making like clothing and shit, and the coding in it like fucks up the game. But I stopped playing Sims because of that. And I really do like The Sims, but if only like, I feel like modding is the only way. Because I don't know how the fuck EA would put all of the... Honestly, they should just put some of the creations in the game. Like, in their next one. Sims 5. Whatever. Take some of those creations. Take some of that inspiration from stuff and put it in the game. I feel like the shit looks like like the game consoles in the game. Like, if you want to make your sim play Xbox, the Xboxes or whatever, PS4s look like a toaster. And like a royal blue toaster. Like, it doesn't look like a gaming system. Or it looks like a gaming system for toddlers. Like, the sleekness is lacking in that game. The minimalism is lacking. The sleekness is lacking. Who the fuck wears shirts with fucking... I can't really explain it, but like, they got weird funky ass outfits on the base game for The Sims. It's a lot of funky shit on there that I don't want to wear. Nobody wants to wear that. That's why you mod. That's why you get a nice PC that has a lot of whatever the fuck RAM or whatever the fuck that shit's called, and you put stuff on it. They make fucking Gucci, Chanel, Prada, fucking Unif. They make everything. That Moschino, they put fucking everything. They make fucking Versace. They make like Adidas, Nike, fucking Puma. Like, they have like everything on the internet you could download to put your Sims in. Your Sims could be dripping. But for some reason, EA just doesn't, and I get it. Like, they don't want to put... Oh, I have to go. I know why I just got a call. I'm about to do a thing. I love you.